Here with the Adenauer.
And the rest
Just got it running. Got the whole crew here. About to take it for a spin. Amazing. Amazing. Got about 70 years between these two.
Yep. It's a powerhouse.
old Adenauer.
4 on the tree. Oh, brakes.
That's smart to check.
Yeah, I want to get a feel for those going downhill.
She's pretty lumpy.
The oil pressure, got coolant temperature, full tank of gas. It's charging. There you go. Getting a little grumpy around mid-throttle. Oh yeah. There's your turn signal. He has to live on all these hills, huh? Think to the right.
Oh, smooth shifter Magoo there.
All right. Race car. Feel it bog. Yeah, look at that big old star at the end of the hood. All right, here comes the hill.
It's quite a hill.
Come on, girl. Hear it?
Just kind of breaking up a little.
Doing a quick driver swap. Let Andy have a run at it. It's a sweetheart. It does, yeah. Turn one on. There you go. Got lights. Got blinker. Yep. Right. Nice white wall tires. Got your draft stops here. And this awesome old patinaed interior. There's that sweet 4 on the tree. See how Andy does.
See, so that is reverse. That's the second detent.
Yeah, she just pulled.
That's neutral. So
Oh, chunked that. It's way up there. Park and brake. Full twisty.
no power steering.
All the power you can muster.
That mirror is about the size of a paint can.
It's worse than that. See, it's when you drove a Mercedes in '53, you only looked ahead, you didn't look behind.
There was no behind.
Up in the third, we're cruising 30-ish miles an hour.